Nomenclature of halogens. Propyl or propane contains hydrogen atoms. The common name is N. Method of naming organic compounds as recommended by the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC name is 1-bromopropane. Propyl or propane contains 3 carbon atoms and 8 hydrogen atoms. 1 hydrogen atom is replaced by chloride. Then its common name is isopropyl chloride. Name is meta-dibromobenzene and the IUPAC name is 1,3-dibromobenzene. Here aromatic ring contains 2 bromine atoms. So di is prefixed in both common and IUPAC name. In common name, M is prefixed to indicate the position meta, and the numbers 1, 3 are prefixed in IUPAC name to indicate the position of the halogen atoms. Common name symmetric tribromobenzene. Tribromobenzene. Here aromatic ring contains 3 bromine atoms, so tri is prefixed. The carbon atom is partially positive. and halogen atom is partially negative.